What is up, guys? Vyminal back at it again with another video. Now, before we get right into this setup tour, as I know you've been waiting for quite some time, I'd just like to announce that yes, I am joining the Phase 5 FaZe Clan Recruitment Challenge. So you can witness my journey over there on twitter.com/Vyminal. I'm also going to be streaming from time to time over at twitch.tv/Vyminal. Going to be playing a lot of Call of Duty, a lot of Valorant, and some variety here and there. If you don't know who I am a shoutcaster content creator from Manila, Philippines. I've been working on developing a lot of the Valorant competitive scene. I've been shoutcasting quite a few tournaments here and there. I've also casted the Valorant Ignition series. Now I can't wait to show you what I have in store for the next couple of weeks. I got giveaways, I got so much content, so many ideas, and so much more. So without further ado, my friends, let's get right into the video. So first things first, you see the red door entrance to my studio. This is on a separate structure outside of my house. And we see the Vyminal LED neon sign, which I had custom made. I really think it's a cool idea, sort of adding that unique touch to your home setup. And we see a bit of my peripheral collection down here, some mice and keyboards, a GPU out there, see a box of the Amazon Echo. These are not all of my mice, but these are quite a few of them. I like collecting mice. I am very, very passionate about tech. My favorite from this collection so far has been the Xtrafy M4 and the Logitech G Pro wireless. Thank you, Xtrafy, for sending me that mouse. Over here, we have an integral part of the room, which is the Amazon Echo Dot. Very compact machine. I really highly recommend it. Keeps you productive. And over here, we have the Logitech 4K Brio webcam, which used to be my main webcam up until I upgraded to the Sony a5000, which you'll see later on. Over here, we see a bit of the new Elgato stuff, the Wave 3 mic, Stream Deck, and a couple of Key Light Airs. And over here, beneath my air conditioner, is a very important part of the setup, the Nano Leaf. I love the Nano Leaf. And you see more keyboards over here, more mice over here. But yeah, it's absolutely incredible and I highly recommend you get one. This is not sponsored, by the way. I actually bought it with my own money and I love it. I just love how unique it makes everything look and how you can customize it using your phone. And over here we have a gift from Riot Games. This is from the Valorant Southeast Asia region. So I have been developing the Valorant competitive scene for quite some time. Over here, we have the Core i9 9900K box. Very cool looking box. Some custom designed keycaps right there. And here, a candle warmer. This keeps my room smelling nice and clean, nice and homey, nice and cozy. I love it. It's from boysmells.com. Here we have a few things sent over to me by Thermaltake, beside a couple of Ape Light LEDs. Some very high quality lighting for your video and photography needs. Video of the Thermaltake items real soon. You see a Thermaltake case down there beneath my sign as well, which I'll be using for a secondary streaming PC. And now we move on to the main part of the setup, the actual setup itself. You got my rig over there, some 4 monitors, 3 of them 144 Hz and one 240 Hz. On the main panel. So it's very important for me to have a high refresh rate panel because I do play Valorant at a competitive level, so I really do need all those frames that I can get. Right now at this moment I am in the process of building a secondary streaming PC. Pretty much my rig is pretty high end. It has an RTX 2080 Ti, 32 gigs of RAM, and i9 9900K, and of course, you know, you have your 800 watt power supply. Over here we have some Mario keycaps on my Razer Huntsman optical switch mechanical keyboard. Very interesting keycap design that I got from my friend. So over there to the right, you see the Xtrafy M4 mouse, which is my main mouse, next to my second favorite, which is the Logitech G Pro. Now, the G Pro that I have is actually not the Pixel edition. I actually custom colored it myself. So in case you're wondering, that's actually not the limited Pixel edition wireless because it's so impossible to get. The Xtrafy M4 weighs about 68 grams, while the Logitech weighs about 82 grams. So if you like lighter mice, definitely check out the Xtrafy M4. It is a non-ambidextrous ergonomic mouse, and I really highly recommend it. You can't even feel the wire. Over here, one of my latest additions to my setup is the Sony a5000 camera, and I just love how it looks, how it makes your sort of quote-unquote webcam look very, very professional. I am using the kit lens as of this moment. And another addition I made recently was adding a couple of monitor arms. These mount arms allow you to reposition your monitor no matter what way you want it to. And of course, how can you forget about the Elgato Wave 3, which is what you're hearing my voice through right now, and that sounds absolutely amazing. It has its own software, and you don't even need to use voice meter anymore, thank God. But this is just phenomenal. I cannot want anything more from a USB mic. Speaking of not wanting anything more, this is my Logitech G Pro X. This was sent to me by Logitech as a gift, and I haven't used anything else other than this headset ever since I got it, because it just sounds so damn good. And no matter how many times I try switching to a different headset, I always come back to it. Now this is my glorious 3XL mouse mat. As you can see, it's as wide as my entire table almost. I think it's about 3 feet in length. And this is because I'm a very low DPI player and I would want to have as much space as much as possible. So as we go through a final pan of the room here, as you can see, it's very small, but it has a lot of stuff going on. And it's set up just the way I want to. It's a very functional setup. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour. That's about it for me, guys. Please remember to follow me on twitter.com/Vyminal and support my journey in joining the FaZe 5 RC Challenge. Thank you so much.